Hi and welcome to Case Club. Today we'll be reviewing our Google Meet Series 1 Medium Room Hardware Kit Case. It's designed to hold your Google Meet as well as accessories. This sturdy, heavy-duty case is perfect for protecting and transporting your Google Meet and accessories, including for airline travel. First, we'll talk about the layout of the foam and then the features of the case. The foam in our case is pre-cut and ready to perfectly fit your gear. No cutting on your end is required. When your case arrives, you'll need to remove the foam plugs. The case can hold one Google Meet Series 1 Smart Audio Bar, 3 Google Meet Series 1 Mic Pod, Google Meet Series 1 Meet Compute System, Series 1 Smart Camera, Series 1 Touch Controller, Series 1 Power Adapter, Series 1 cords, Series 1 wall mount, Series 1 table stand, the Jelly Comb foldable keyboard, paperwork, a surge protector, as well as additional cords and accessories in this area. If you don't have all those accessories, you can simply leave the plugs in place and you won't even be able to tell that they're there. Doing this will create a custom layout tailored specifically to your items. One special feature of our case is that we've designed the pocket for the controller in a unique way to help protect the device. The foam in this pocket has been cut and affixed so that the smooth top surface of the foam will face the controller's screen. In this way, your controller will be protected from possible marring or scratches. Be advised, this foam is an upgrade from Pluck Foam. Unlike Pluck Foam, this foam is pre-cut, ensuring a perfect fit for your gear and saving you time from having to do it yourself. Another advantage of our foam is its military spec characteristics when compared to cheaper foam. When it's closed cell, it won't absorb liquid and you can easily clean it if it gets dirty over time. Cheaper foam, on the other hand, will absorb any liquids and slowly deteriorate. Also, it provides adequate cushion for your gear, but won't tear like the cheaper foam. And the foam in the lid is a much softer convoluted polyurethane, whose ridges help to secure everything in place when the case is closed. And around the perimeter of the lid is a gasket seal, which makes the case 100% waterproof. The case features one removable document holder for easy labeling and identification, 5 double throw latches with positive feedback, 2 metal reinforced padlockable points for added security, an automatic pressure relief valve so that the case can be opened at any altitude. In back, 3 strong mechanical hinges with stainless steel pins. Wide handles on either side of the case allow for a 2-person lift and fold down to stay out of the way when not in use. Or an extension handle and 4 wheels with stainless steel ball bearings will glide over both smooth and rough terrain with ease. Lastly, the case features feet as well as ridges on the top to make it stackable if you have more than one. You can find this product and many more at caseclub.com, the industry-leading manufacturer of cases and custom foam. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.